Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Arizona Dreams. Today is a big day for my family. We bought a house. You can see the packed up fun. This is the last day in our rental. We're actually going to spend the night tonight in the new house. So join us while we drive down and get the keys.
Never have to move anywhere once your kids leave.
Right.
Guys,
Yeah, that's true.
Guys, ready? I'm gonna try and make it headless. I'm gonna get down this and break for
This tree is
That's what I said too. But he's so clean.
Alright.
That's a lock-only door. It did lock, it just didn't unlock.
What is this? Is Monty. I know, it smells good.
Wow, it's
Fruit trees.
wow, look at all the lemons and it's already May.
say, our tree is
already
clean.
Got your built-ins.
Yeah, your favorite.
And then. Okay.
What is this?
Master. This says master bedroom.
Yeah.
Got room for a pool. We're back in the room for a pool.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's 8177 square feet.
Nice.
Good size lot. With a 3-car garage and a single level.
Does you want me to see how it feels?
Checking the
like?
boxes right now.
Neighborhood. There's nothing really in front of it. No houses. House that way.
Okay.
Oh, that's cool.
Wow. Yeah.
More wow?
Wow, this might be a bedroom.
Oh,
Oh no, this might be a plus room. This may not, because this is a 4-bedroom.
Don't
with a
take
fifth
my
room.
game room.
This may be a 5th bedroom.
Ah.
This is my game room. I'll call it
But it
dibs.
says 5th but plus, and that makes me nervous because it doesn't usually have a closet. So, but we'll see.
What?
What's your name?
The
I
gas.
will never tell anyone because I am a first.
I'm gonna buy this house. You guys can't buy it. Tell my husband we're moving across the world.
I was gonna say, this is a haul from where you're at.
Oh, yeah.
Good size.
Are you naked? Are you naked still? No. I was saying
Did you hear him? Wow, nice grass.
He's a fan of grass, not rocks.
That's
Nice
awesome.
size yard.
Yeah, you could fit a pool.
Yeah. That's all I worry about.
Daddy,
It's the end game.
Sorry, I'm on both teams.
Country something.
Basketball court.
School, whatever. Country.
Got a pile of cards here. Pile of cards. How long have we been on the market?
And a nice size closet.
Oh, this is nice. So if you ever did build a pool, they can just come in here instead of running across the house.
Cover
So
your house full. Cover everything of you.
Nice bathroom. And it has access, like she was saying. For what?
No, like actual like.
It's okay, as long as you didn't do it.
Slides.
Yeah.
Man, it's cute.
Yeah.
Oh, that's very
Take care of it.
What's that, Daddy?
Money.
I didn't realize this was over here.
Oh, wow.
This is a nice size. Alright, so we're here. We're getting the key for the first time to our new home. Let's check it out. Alright, my wife is about to open the door for the first time to the house that is now ours, if she can figure out the lock.
Why isn't it working? Is this the right key?
I have no idea, darling. Maybe she is. Maybe we will just live on the patio.
You scared me.
What do you think? What do you think of the backyard?
Awesome.
What do you like about it?
I like how it has the grass
I like those mountains.
and the cactus and the mountains.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
All moved in.
Home sweet home.
Go, go, run!
4, 6, wait, 5, 6, 7, go. 8, 9.
Go back, go back. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh!
Who's the winner?
Nice mountain view.
Freeze pops and water guns.
And now?
That's summer. I don't want to. Don't bring me. Nice.
It's the end of the weekend. We've moved and unpacked quite a bit and even started hanging pictures and cooking home-cooked meals. So today we decided that we would come over here and check out one of the reasons that we chose this neighborhood. This is a minor one, but it's still kind of a big deal for the kids. We're in a playground that is a covered playground and has a nice gazebo with a grill that we can bring our own charcoal, and it's lighted so we can do an evening picnic here and let the boys play. And not to mention, we still have that amazing view of Santan Mountain. So I hope you enjoyed watching us transition from one home to the other, and you know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below.
Perfect.